In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text in Adobe Acrobat DC, a handy feature that can save you a lot of time when working with PDFs. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're not already familiar with this software, it's an essential tool for creating, editing, and managing PDF files. Once your document is open, you're ready to start finding and replacing text, which can be incredibly useful if you need to make recurring changes throughout a lengthy document, perhaps to update terminology or correct an error. Now, to begin the process, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll want to choose the Edit tab. If you're someone who appreciates keyboard shortcuts, there's an efficient alternative. You can open the Find toolbar by simply pressing Ctrl+F if you're on a Windows computer, or CMD+F if you're using a Mac. This action brings up the Find toolbar, ready to assist you in locating the text you're looking to amend. In the Find toolbar, you'll notice a small box labeled Find. Here is where you type the exact word or phrase you're trying to locate within the document. This allows Adobe Acrobat to highlight each instance where your specified text appears, making it incredibly easy to navigate through your document. Next, take a look at the toolbar and click on the Replace With option. This action will expand the toolbar and provide you with a second box. This is the Replace With box, where you'll enter the new text you want to substitute for the old. This function is particularly useful for making consistent changes without having to comb through your document manually. Once you have your Find and Replace With text settled, direct your attention to the Next button. Clicking this will guide you from one instance of the word or phrase to the next throughout your PDF. It's a helpful tool for reviewing each occurrence, ensuring that you want to apply your change consistently across the document. As each match is highlighted, you can decide whether to proceed with the replacement. When you're satisfied with the suggested change, simply click on the Replace button. This action will change just that instance, affording you the precision to ensure that each alteration is exactly what you want. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently make the necessary text replacements in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, enhancing your document management proficiency. With these techniques at your disposal, editing PDFs to suit your needs is straightforward and stress-free. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these tips helpful as you navigate your Adobe Acrobat tasks. Whether you're updating a work document or sprucing up a personal project, these tools are sure to streamline your workflow.